Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest download problem on your Pinterest app. We will go to click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, and you just go down, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window here in this window. Then you just go to for looking for Pinterest app here in this window, then you click here on Pinterest, and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store, your Play Store, you click, then you search for Pinterest app, and it's going to show for you like this. You just click here on update, and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all. I wish you are get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.